Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Comcast Xfinity no signal detected in your Sacramento. So here's a guide for your restoring cable TV signal faster. Fix 1. Check for an outage in your area first. Check for a service outage in your area by going to the outage map or text out to 266-278. Sign in to the status center with your Sacramento service address to see outages specific to your block. Fix 2. Check all cable connections. Make sure the plugs for the device haven't come loose, the outlets have power, and all the cable connections are tight. Make sure the coaxial cable is finger tight on both the ends. If the connector looks corroded, bent, or used, you need to replace it. Fix 3. Confirm the TV is set to the correct input. Make sure the TV is on the right channel or input if your TV is hooked up to a TV box. If you are using an HDMI cable to connect the TV box to the TV, confirm it's plugged into the proper location and confirm the TV is set to the proper input. Fix 4. Power cycle your TV box. Unplug the TV box from the electrical outlet or the back of the TV box for 15 seconds. Then plug it back in. Fix 5. Sign up for outage text alerts. Text out to 2667278, which is your ComCST, to confirm the status of your services. This is especially useful in Sacramento during planned maintenance windows. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.